Every analyst on CNBC has the exact same take. AI, it's going to replace all of enterprise software. It's the SaaSpocalypse. The stock prices, they're telling you the very same story. Trillions wiped out. But here's the question that nobody's asking. Replace it with what? A chatbot with no data? An agent with no customers? A model with no business context? AI doesn't replace enterprise software. It sits on top of it. It operationalizes it. Because in an AI-driven business, your data is your IP. And if it's not connected, governed, and understood, AI can't use it. That's where most companies break. Their systems, they're fragmented. And their data, it's disconnected. So when AI shows up, it exposes those gaps. Domo fixes that. Instead of stitching together 6 different vendors, Domo pulls together all the apps, all the agents, all the workflows, and all the things you need to drive true business outcomes. You need to build something? Domo generates production-ready apps in minutes. You need it to make decisions? Domo creates governed AI agents connected to your data. You need the business to actually use it? Domo deploys it into real workflows with governance already built in. You need data from across your stack? Domo connects to your cloud platforms, whatever they are. AWS, Databricks, Snowflake, Google, without duplicating or moving any of your data. Because this isn't about tools anymore. Models are commoditized and software is commoditized. Your advantage, your foundation, and that's your data. The companies that win will be those who actually use their data as IP at scale. Domo is how you do it. Click the link right now and we'll show you how to unify your stack and activate your data. Let's put AI to work in your business right now.